In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zotero storage space. Zotero is a powerful tool for managing your research, but like all storage solutions, it comes with certain limitations. Understanding how much storage you have left will help you manage your library more effectively and prevent any future hiccups, especially if you handle a large volume of data. Firstly, the journey into checking your Zotero storage starts with visiting their official website. Open your web browser and type in zotero.org. Hitting enter will take you to the Zotero homepage. Make sure you're logged in, otherwise click on the login button at the top right corner. You'll need your credentials close by. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll spot your username prominently displayed. This is your gateway to accessing various personal settings, including your storage details. Click on your username and a small drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Profile from this list. By editing your profile, you gain access to numerous options that allow you to manage your account settings. On your profile page, there's an array of tabs and options. Here, your focus should be on locating the tab that says Storage. Click on this tab, and this will display vital information about your current storage status. The information shown includes your used storage, which is displayed either in megabytes or gigabytes, so you get an immediate snapshot of how much of your space is already consumed. This page also shows your total storage quota. If you're on the free plan, you'll have 300 megabytes available. This is crucial to know, as it may indicate whether or not you need to consider upgrading your plan based on your needs. Crucially, this section also offers a breakdown of storage by file types such as PDFs and snapshots. This is particularly helpful if you wish to manage specific types of files more effectively. For instance, if you find that snapshots are taking up a considerable amount of space, you might want to manage these files more rigorously. Being aware of your storage status and how it's divided between different file types can significantly impact how you manage your files and prioritize which ones to keep or delete. With this information at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about whether you want to streamline your library or upgrade your storage plan to suit your expanding research needs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you now know precisely how to check your Zotero storage space. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just someone who likes to keep their digital library in check, it's always good practice to monitor your storage. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.